In the world of portable audio, few names resonate as strongly as JBL. Today, we're diving deep into the JBL Flip 6, a compact powerhouse that's making waves in the portable speaker market. Whether you're a music enthusiast, an outdoor adventurer, or someone who just wants quality sound on the go, this review will help you decide if the JBL Flip 6 is the right fit for your audio needs. Design and build quality. The JBL Flip 6 continues the brand's tradition of sleek, cylindrical speakers, but with some notable upgrades. Measuring 7 by 2.6 by 2.8 inches and weighing just under 1.2 pounds, it's slightly larger than its predecessor, the Flip 5, but still maintains a highly portable form factor. The speaker's exterior is wrapped in a durable fabric mesh, available in a range of vibrant colors to suit your style. The rubberized end caps not only add to its rugged appeal, but also serve a practical purpose, allowing the speaker to stand vertically or horizontally. One of the standout features in terms of build quality is the IP67 rating. This means the Flip 6 is not only waterproof, but also dustproof, making it an ideal companion for beach trips, poolside parties, or even shower karaoke sessions. The sturdy build inspires confidence, feeling like it could withstand accidental drops or rough handling during outdoor adventures. The control buttons are conveniently placed along the speaker's spine, offering easy access to play, pause, volume controls, and Bluetooth pairing. A new addition to the Flip 6 is the dedicated Party Boost button, which we'll discuss more in the features section. Sound quality. When it comes to audio performance, the JBL Flip 6 punches well above its weight class. The speaker houses a racetrack-shaped woofer, a separate tweeter, and dual passive radiators. This configuration allows for a more balanced and detailed sound compared to many competitors in its size and price range. The bass response is impressive for a speaker of this size, delivering a punchy low end that doesn't overpower the mix. The dedicated tweeter ensures that high frequencies remain crisp and clear, even at higher volumes. Mid-range frequencies, crucial for vocal clarity, are well represented, making the Flip 6 suitable for a wide range of music genres as well as podcast listening. One area where the Flip 6 truly shines is its ability to fill a room with sound. Despite its compact size, it can easily provide the soundtrack for a small gathering or outdoor picnic. The 360-degree sound design ensures that audio quality remains consistent regardless of where you're positioned in relation to the speaker. Compared to its closest competitor, the Sony SRS XB33, the JBL Flip 6 offers a more balanced sound signature. While the Sony may have a slight edge in bass response, the Flip 6 provides better clarity in the mids and highs, resulting in a more versatile listening experience. Features and functionality. The JBL Flip 6 comes packed with features that enhance its usability and versatility. 1. Battery life. With up to 12 hours of playtime on a single charge, the Flip 6 can easily last through a day at the beach or a long hiking trip. It's worth noting that actual battery life may vary depending on volume levels and usage patterns. 2. Bluetooth 5.1. The latest Bluetooth technology ensures a stable connection and easy pairing with your devices. The range is impressive, allowing you to control your music from up to 40 feet away. 3. JBL Party Boost. This feature allows you to connect multiple Party Boost compatible JBL speakers for synchronized playback or stereo sound. It's perfect for creating a more immersive audio experience or increasing the volume for larger gatherings. 4. JBL Portable App. The companion app provides additional functionality, including EQ adjustments, firmware updates, and battery level monitoring. While not essential for basic use, it's a nice addition for those who like to fine-tune their audio experience. 5. USB-C charging. The Flip 6 has moved to USB-C for charging, which is a welcome update for faster charging times and compatibility with modern devices. Performance. In real-world testing, the JBL Flip 6 consistently impressed across various scenarios. During outdoor use, the speaker's volume and clarity cut through ambient noise effectively, making it ideal for beach trips or backyard barbecues. The bass remained punchy even in open spaces, a feat many portable speakers struggle with. Indoors, the Flip 6 filled medium-sized rooms with rich, detailed sound. It handled different music genres with ease, from the thumping bass of hip-hop tracks to the delicate nuances of classical pieces. At maximum volume, there was minimal distortion, although the sweet spot for audio quality was around 70 to 80% volume. The speaker's performance during travel was noteworthy. Its compact size and robust build made it an excellent companion for hotel rooms or vacation rentals, instantly upgrading the audio experience without taking up much space and luggage. Positive aspects. 1. Excellent sound quality with balanced audio across all frequencies. 2. Durable, waterproof, and dustproof design, IP67 rated. 3. Impressive volume output for its size. 4. Party boost feature for connecting multiple speakers. 5. USB-C charging and good battery life. 6. Stylish design available in multiple colors. Negative aspects. 1. No 3.5mm auxiliary input for wired connections. 2. Slightly more expensive than some competitors. 3. No built-in voice assistant support. 4. App functionality is somewhat limited. The JBL Flip 6 is a testament to JBL's expertise in creating high-quality portable audio devices. It successfully addresses common pain points in the portable speaker market, offering a perfect blend of durability, sound quality, and features. For those seeking a versatile, robust, portable speaker that doesn't compromise on audio quality, the JBL Flip 6 is an excellent choice. It's particularly well-suited for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and anyone who values both performance and portability in their audio gear. While it may be slightly pricier than some competitors, the Flip 6's superior sound quality, build, and features justify the investment. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or buying your first portable speaker, the JBL Flip 6 is a choice you're unlikely to regret. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tech reviews. Ready to experience the JBL Flip 6 for yourself? Check out the product using the link in the description below. Your support helps us continue creating high-quality content for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.